MrBeast has recently uploaded the most incredible video that YouTube has ever witnessed. In the next 3 minutes, I will be utilizing my extensive experience in content creation to reveal one of the most important secrets MrBeast used. Trust me, if you aspire to become successful on YouTube, you absolutely must watch this video. However, before we delve into the details, it's crucial to understand that MrBeast achieves millions upon millions of views by subtly implanting psychological tricks in the minds of his viewers without them even realizing it. And this isn't limited to just his videos. It extends to his thumbnails as well. Take a look at this thumbnail for instance. Not only does it capture your attention, but it also bears a striking resemblance to the opening shot of the video. What if I told you that MrBeast meticulously plans this to perfection, investing countless hours into ensuring that the opening shot aligns perfectly with the thumbnails? By doing so, he assures viewers that his content is 100% genuine and not clickbait, compelling them to stay for the introduction. It's all well and good if you can retain viewers, but it's pointless if they don't even click on your video. Let's examine this thumbnail here. The most obvious observation is that MrBeast clearly stands out from the background, wearing an orange jumpsuit against a white wall. However, after analyzing this and numerous other thumbnails, I can assure you that color choices are deliberate and serve a much deeper purpose. If you take a look at the 3 primary colors in this thumbnail, we can see white, orange and black. Interestingly, 2 of these colors happen to be the simplest and most basic color you can find. So, if we combine these 2 colors and add a vibrant color in the middle, the thumbnail is bound to catch attention. However, it's important to note that MrBeast didn't come up with this strategy. We can actually see the exact same color scheme in Ryan Trahan's video and other YouTubers. After witnessing the success of this color scheme, MrBeast started using it in many of his thumbnails. But here's a quick tip. If you decide to do the same, be careful not to create too much contrast between the colors. Otherwise, you might risk dazzling your audience with your thumbnail. So make sure to maintain a soft texture in your thumbnail similar to what MrBeast does.